Hello guys, so today we talk about types of drilling. So in this video we learn about various drilling method used in mineral exploration and other type of drilling method. So here is the introduction. So drilling is the process of making a hole in the hard rock or material by using the drills which attached with the drill bit. So drilling may be manually or mechanically, either operated by compressed air or water under pressure with petrol or diesel engines. Drilling is an important section during mineral explorations and mining productions. So as you can see, this is the truck mounted drill machines, and this is the drill head which have drill rods, and at the end of this drill rods that have a core bit which penetrate onto the rock, and the sample is collected or drawn to the surface. Objective of the rock drilling. So there are various objective for collecting the samples by using drill machines. So objective of drilling is the sample collection to estimate the quality and quantity of the mineral reserves, to locate and define economic mineralizations, to generate under earth transportation, and to allow locomotives. Drilling performed for the placement of the explosive in mines. So the first objective is to collection of sample from down to the earth to estimate the quality and quantity of mineral reserves. So this is the core samples. The other objective of the drill rig or drill machines is generate under earth transportation to allow locomotives. As you can see, this is the tunnel, and this is the big drill machines which drill into the hard rock. Drilling also performed for the placement of explosive in mines. So in big mines for mining productions, minor drilling performed for the placement of explosive in mines. Type of drilling. So there are three main type of drilling: rotary drilling, percussion drilling, and others are miscellaneous, or consist of three type of drill method. So we will learn these two method in details actually. So first one is rotary drilling. So in rotary drilling, drills bit rotates on the rock that provides both static and dynamic impact pressure on the rock. Compressed air under a certain pressure and flow rate are sprayed from the nozzle through the inner of the drill pipe. Bit at the end of the drill pipe rotates on rock and core continuously inserted into the inner tube. Rotary drill is suitable for large ore bodies like coal, limestone, and it drill usually diameter up to 200 mm. Rotary drill included the auger drilling, reverse circulation drilling, and diamond core drilling. So we will learn these three type in detail actually, because these three types are very important drilling method. So the first one is auger drilling. So auger drilling is method for installing auger piles and is usually done for drilling in minor depths through loose rock. It is free from vibration and noise. That's why this technique is used in urban areas. So as you can see, this is the auger drilling machines. So this drill machine is actually using for installing auger piles into the infrastructural purposes, and this drill machine is actually used for shallow depth drilling. So the second one is reverse circulation drilling. So reverse circulation drilling or RC drilling uses a drill bit that featured round protruding tungsten carbide bit to cut hard rock. The drill rods themselves are hollow and feature an inner tube with an outer barrel. RC drilling requires less water than diamond drilling. So this is the reverse circulation drilling machines. So as you can see, this is the drill head which have drill rods, and this drill rod consists tungsten carbide bit at the end of rods that rotates on the rock. The third one is diamond drilling. So diamond drill designed especially for mineral exploration and is the most important type of drill method. Diamond drilling utilized diamond impregnated drill bits that attached at the end of the hollow drill rods. Actually, diamond drill names derived from the diamond impregnated bit that used in these machines or this rig. It gives cylindrical core samples and more geological information. It can penetrate at great depth, about 1000 meters or 1 kilometers depth. Recovery of the core drill enables details of the geology, ground conditions, and mineralogy. So the basic difference between reverse circulation drilling and diamond drill is that RC drill requires less water than diamond drilling, and RC drill can be deviate, but diamond drill can't deviate actually. And diamond drill can penetrate at great depths, but RC drill can penetrate 100 to 200 meters. So this is the diamond drill rig, and this is the drill head. You can see the drill rod. This is the drill rod. So this is the graph of this drill head. As you can see, this is the rotary house from where the compressed air inserted into the this drill head with great pressures. And this is the drill head which rotates these rods. This is the drill rods. This is the drill head actually, which rotate this rod into the rock surface beneath the earth with the help of core bit. So this core bit is actually consist diamond impregnated bit. As you can see, this minor button shape diamond which rotates onto the rock, and the core sample is inserted into the inner tube and drawn to the surface. The second type is percussion drilling or percussion drill. So it consists basically of a hammer unit which is driven by compressed air. This hammer unit imparts a series of short rapid blow to the drill rods and at the same time slowly rotates on them. Two main types of percussion drill is down the hole hammer and top hammer. So down the hole hammer, as the name implies, the hammer unit is lowered down the hole at the end of the rods. The bit at the end of the hammer consists of a tungsten carbide bit that rotates onto the rock surface and core is drawn to the surface. The second one is top hammer. In this type of drill, both percussion actions and rod rotation are provided by a drill rig, which is mounted on the truck. The hole drilled by top hammer are smaller in diameter, from 38 to 45 millimeter. So as you can see, this is the down the hole hammer rig. This is the hammer which is rapidly blown onto the drill rods, and drill rods consist bit which slowly hammered into the rock, and the rock samples is collected from the drill bits. The second one is top hammer. So this really consists of percussion actions and rotates also onto the rock surface, and core is drawn to the surface. The third one is miscellaneous drill, which consists of push drill rigs, hydraulic rotary drilling, and sonic drilling. So these are some other type of drill machines. So push drill rigs useful in shallow hole in relatively soft unconsolidated materials. The direct push drilling method pushes our hammers tooling into the subsurface without generating waste materials back to the surface. Designed primarily for environmental drilling, geotechnical drilling, and exploration drilling applications. Second one is hydraulic rotary drilling and the sonic drilling. So this is all about type of drilling actually.
To know the latest updates on geotourism and modern geotechniques, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.